Discord. Let's go ahead and remove the Discord right here, the name of our const. And what we want to do is open up some brackets, and we want to pass in clients, and we also want to pass in rich embed. And what this is going to do is allow us to use the rich embed so we can send an embed to that member who uses the command. If you don't want to have an embed, you don't have to do this, but for this video, we're going to send an embed to that author of that message. Also, right here down below, the const spots equal new Discord client. Delete the Discord dots and just leave client and the parentheses. And if you do get an error, make sure you did this part, because this is very vital when you do something like this. And did I type client correct? I did type client correct. All right, let's move down into the help command. All right, so we're going to be sending an embed. So we're going to create a const embed, and it's going to be equal to new rich embed, and we are going to set up the title first. So the title, we're just going to name it helper command, I don't know, so helper embed, there we go. And then we're going to set the color, and I think for red we do 0xff and then 4 zeros, so that is red. And actually, let me go ahead and format this a little bit better so you guys can see. There we go. And then one more dot, and we are going to set the description. And if you don't know what I'm doing here, there's also another video on this channel where I show you guys how to do embeds. And this is going to be a very simple embed, but you can get very, very complicated. So there'll be a link in the description to that video as well. So let's open this up. In the description, we're just going to send, make sure to use the help command to get access to the commands or something like that. All right. And then now, this is the main part of this tutorial. We're going to send this in a private message, and it's very simple. That's probably why this video is very short. It's just message.author.send, and we're going to send the embed. One quick thing is, this is actually the second time I have to record this. There was a problem with my last recording. So if we save this and open our terminal, I actually got a new terminal, but if you want to use the old terminal, go to VS Code, terminal, new terminal, and you can do the commands here. But I got a new terminal, CMDER, and we're just gonna run node space dot, and the bot is gonna be online. We come here into our personal Discord YouTube tutorial server here, and we do the help command. Once again, this is the second, I think third time I record this tutorial. Anyways, we send a command. We're going to get a private message by Lionbot, and it's going to send an embed. So this is what happened last time I tried recording, and this is the new embed we have here, helper embed. Make sure to use the help command to get access to commands. The color is red, and we're sending that embed to that member in a private message. You can pretty much send whatever you want. So if you don't want to send embed and you just want to send something like a string or something, simple, so we can do something like this is coming from Lionbot or something, and we kind of reset our bot here, and we go back into Discord, and we go back into our channel and do the help command. It's going to send, this is coming from Lionbots. So pretty much anything that you send through here inside these parentheses, it's going to be passed down as a private message. So we're going to leave it as an embed, and that is pretty much the end of the tutorial. This is something that you want to do to make your bots a little bit more professional, and a lot of people actually decide to do this anytime you send a help command, something like links or anything that you don't want to spam your Discord server with. So I actually have an example here. This is the Pokecord bot. This is a bot where you can actually catch Pokemon, train them, and fight with your Pokemon on a Discord server. It's a very cool bot. And when I did the help command for this bot, it sent me a private message saying this is what you have to do to kind of access the help. This is the link to the website to get started. These are the commands. Here's how shops and trading works. And pretty much you want to do this, once again, when you want to send private information or just general information, but on a private message to someone